Gonna make a real bold statement here. I think everyone should have a YouTube channel. Hey guys, it's Tennille here from suresocial.com, where I help you increase your YouTube views, subscribers, and revenue. As I said just before, I think everyone should at some point have a YouTube channel and create content for it. I do have a few reasons behind this, so thought I'd let you know. I can't just say a statement like that and not give you any reasoning behind it. The first real reason I think people should have a YouTube channel and regularly upload to it is because of the personal skills it builds. Yes, you are only sitting in front of a microphone or a camera or a computer, whatever you're sitting in front of to record and edit your videos. You're building personal skills as you do it, whether that's confidence, speech, technical skills to do with your computer or editing or imagery or websites. You build so many skills on YouTube in regards to creating your content. I myself started in the gaming genre. So I started to build skills up around gaming, how to do things to do with gaming, building computers, technology-based skills that were all self-taught that did lead to physical jobs within hospitals, within IT departments, etc. All of those skills, I'd like to say I was taught through the process of becoming a YouTuber. Another thing that creating content on YouTube brings to me is passion. Not just passion about YouTube, but passion within the niches. Yes, this channel is about YouTube and I love YouTube, but I also have a gaming channel and I freaking love gaming. But one thing that I love the most out of YouTube is sharing my viewpoints and my side of, I guess, the story or my take on certain things. People love having an insight to other people's lives, and YouTube has provided that for so many people. I know when I'm watching YouTube videos, or when I was watching YouTube videos back before I even started making videos, my first thought was, yes, this is awesome, but I want to do it myself. So whatever you're passionate about, I highly suggest making a YouTube channel and just uploading some stuff. And I know YouTube isn't for everyone, being in front of a camera isn't for anyone, but it is definitely worth the shot. Everyone has some knowledge and some skills on some form of topic or not. Or everyone has life experiences that they can talk about or talents that they like to show off. And the last reason I think everyone should have a YouTube channel is because this is where the future is headed. Technology is the future. Like I mentioned before, I have gained so many skills from being a part of the YouTube community, whether it's from SEO, websites, things like that have helped me in my careers in real life. The basic skills we have now to do with technology and more so YouTube help so many of the older generation to just understand things to do with the internet. The amount of times I've directed a family friend or relative to a YouTube video rather than a blog or a how-to guide is crazy. All I'm saying is I think everyone should give it a go at some point. We all love sharing our life with others, and I love uploading videos to YouTube, and it's a weird as heck hobby still, but I'm going to keep doing it. And that's all I have for you guys today. I know it's a bit of a different video, but I just wanted to sort of get that off my chest. And I hope you did enjoy it. If you did, make sure you leave the like button clicked and hit that subscribe button, guys. I'll see you in the next video. See ya.